Kenta, what did you find? 何見つけた？じゃなくて何？ What did you find? You found a worm, right?
Yes.
But it's a little different from your normal worm, right? 普通のミミズとはちょっと違うんだよね。How is it different? どう違う？どう違うの？ How is it different? Does it have stripes?
How?
The face is different? Oh, it's moving. So you put dirt and a leaf, some leaves inside. Kenta, where are you going to put the worm? Kenta, you're coloring with both hands. Look at that. And I see you're drawing inside the lines. I like how you draw inside the lines, Kenta. So this is a drawing for Chika Chika Boom Boom. It's a popular ABC song and a book. Look at this. You are going to learn about Chika Chika Boom Boom. You like Chika Chika Boom Boom?
Today is Monday, August 24th, and this week we are going to look at the book Chika Chika Boom Boom.
This is Kenta's homework for today. It's a Monday. So how many pages? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then there's the stop sign, which means stop right there. So 6 pages today. What's this? Chika Chika Boom Boom. It looks like a crazy palm tree to me. I wonder what we're gonna do with it. Oh, Kento, do you want to bring your Chika Chika Boom Boom book? Maybe you can show the teacher. You can say, I have it too. 持ってきてよ。So we have the book Chika Chika Boom Boom. It's a popular book for preschoolers and kindergarteners and anybody learning the ABCs. ABC 習うのにすごくいい本です。There's a YouTube video too if you're interested. It's a great video. Okay, so are we ready for our meeting? I think we're early, so we can't enter the meeting right now. Oh, you're drawing cherry blossoms?
Yes.
Yes.
What is cherry?
So who is this?
This Hugh.
Miss Huey, your teacher. This is a page where you draw your teacher and write the sentence, my teacher is something something. Wow, I love the way you drew a lot.
Smile.
Oh, my teacher is smiling? Yes, she has a smile. I like how you made a happy face. And the cherry blossoms too. I think your teacher likes pretty things like cherry blossoms. So we cut and paste for this and wrote the ABCs. Kento, I think we might be done. You've been sitting for over an hour? Yeah, that's a long time. I'm done. Kento, can you say, I'm done?
I'm done.
Can you look this way?
I'm done.
I'm done. Great job today, Kento. You stayed focused for a long time. So, can you please clean up? That's the last thing. That's your last job. Clean up. Can you please clean up? Thank you. Last thing for today. We're gonna do our calendar. Today is August 24th. Can you please put a star on 24? 24 is 2 and 4. Where is 2 and 4? It's in yellow. 24. Today is Monday, August 24. Do you see 24? That is 28.
どうして
24. Thanks for putting the sticker on 24. Bye. And Mina is still doing her distance learning. So in the US, a lot of teachers, they compliment their kids. A lot of parents do too. 褒めて育てる is sort of a common method. So we compliment a child's efforts. You got it correct is not really a good way to compliment. それ正解だよっていうのはあんまりいい褒め方ではありません。It might be hard to compliment in this different way that you're used to. And one way you can do that is by using the sentence, I like the way you something something. I like the way you something something. 何をしているところがとても私は好きだよっていうふうに褒めるといいと思います。